ward, food stall, park, communicate, calligraphy, sewing, sign language, deaf, repair, call center worker, computer engineer, nurse, police officer, shop worker, street food seller, cook, artist, school trip, patients, tourists, happen, tonight, tons of beans, tired, wave, fountain, keyboard, quiet, surprise, traditional, neighbor, falafel, skill, imagine, sale, painting, art club, lovely, dance, drive, drove, driven, understand, understood, understood, sew, sewed, sewn, stand, stood, stood, catch, caught, caught, busy, free, safe, dangerous, bored, excited, best, worst, lazy, active, temporary, permanent, go on a school trip, have a rest, have a big dinner, sit by the fountain, give a surprise, quite lazy, get everything ready, drive around the city, make sure, make for, communicate with, think of.